In this video, I will show you how to delete ChatGPT account permanently. First of all, open the ChatGPT application on your device. Ensure that you are logged into the account you wish to delete. If you are using the web browser, navigate to the ChatGPT website and sign in using your credentials. Once the application is open, you will land on the home screen. Here, look for the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen. This menu icon is represented by two horizontal lines, often referred to as hamburger menu. Tap on it and a side menu will slide out from the left hand side of the screen. To open the settings, tap on your username at the bottom. Settings menu will appear. The settings menu is where you can manage your account preferences, privacy options, and other controls. Here you will see a variety of different options. Look for the data controls option and tap on it. On the next screen, data controls settings will appear. Here you will find settings related to managing your data. At the very bottom of the screen, you will see the option labeled as delete account. It's usually highlighted. Tap on this option to continue. At this point, a pop-up will appear. It will contain a detailed message explaining what will happen if you proceed with deletion of your account. This information typically includes details about losing access to your ChatGPT account, removal of associated data, and irreversibility of this action. Carefully review the details. After that, tap on the option delete account. After confirming the deletion, the app will begin processing your request. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few moments. Make sure your device stays connected to the internet during this time. Once the process is complete, you will see a message confirming that your account has been permanently deleted. And this is how you can delete ChatGPT account permanently.